Nahihilo and I think I'm pregnant. Oh my gosh, good morning everybody. How are you guys? It's been so long since I posted a video, no. I just want to share. Ang sakit-sakit ng ulo ko. Nasusuka ko, nahihilo and I think I'm pregnant. It's probably because I have this new glasses.
Kailan ang tao dito?
Yes, that's why I'm taking a video. Well, that was Gab, may poging katrabaho. Shawaro out sa'yo, Gab. It's not a good thing sa akin. I have this concern talaga. I don't know if I should stop wearing my glasses or whether I should continue using it. I don't want to use it because the adjustment period is like taking a while for my, body to accept this graded glasses. The other thing is I want to use it because it's for my eye protection, like anti-radiation. I love using my cell phone. I browse a lot, so I read a lot. And lagi ako nasa tapat ng PC monitors. So to protect my eyes, I have to use my glasses. So help me. Use the reaction buttons. Siguro heart reaction if I should continue wearing my glasses. Like button if I should stop. Yun lang. Papapansin lang ulit ako online. But thank you for watching. I'll be looking forward to your reactions. Bye. I forgot to mention, stay dry kasi medyo maulan ngayon. I think I should wear my bota. I have a boots. As in bota talaga, like for baha.